Hello friends, in this video we will write a program that will count how many time a user enters a tab key, or we can say that we will check that how many time a tab is pressed in an input. So I have already created a directory tab counting which is empty, and we will create our C file here. We will declare our variable C, and new tab will be a variable, and it will be 0 by default, but we will initialize it with a 0. And we will check a condition here. Add a condition with the C for the \t. So \t means user enter the tab. Whenever the tab key is pressed, it will convert this. The C will get converted to the ASCII code, and we also checking this, and this \t will also convert to the ASCII. So if both integer values are same, then it means user press the tab key. And we will just increment our number here, and we will just print out our empty value, and we will compile our code now. Yes, it compiled successfully. We will try to check, and now I will add tabs. I have added a single tab, so I have added 3 tabs here. Okay, and we will check it. Yeah, I got the 3 in the result. So this is a simple program. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.